Hi, I'm Mr. Franklin, and in this video, we're going to introduce our Learn It, Teach It to the Moon quarter project for this quarter. So to start off with, I want you to watch the NASA 2021 video. This is like a release trailer, almost like a movie trailer or a video game release trailer, showing all the missions NASA has planned for this year. Some of them have already happened, and some of them are happening right now. Hopefully you've heard some of it in the news and are following it like I am, like Perseverance landing on Mars and many of the tests they're doing. I believe this week they are doing the test of the helicopter. So which items, as you watch this video, are the most exciting or most interesting to you? Please put that in the Pear Deck. So go watch the NASA 2021 video and then come back and answer the Pear Deck question for me. All right, that's pretty exciting, right? Well, let's dive in a little deeper and let's take a look at this "We Are Going" video. What do you think about humans going back to the moon is the question you should be thinking about as you watch this video. Come back and put it in the Pear Deck. Awesome. That is exciting stuff. So welcome to the NASA team. For our quarter project, you are a NASA scientist and you are going to submit a scientific recommendation on one of 5 possible topics chosen by the NASA administrator, which is your teacher. You will have access to a team working on the same general topic, but you will be focusing on one part. So for example, there will be an energy team. And the question might be, which is better for Southern California? Solar energy, wind energy, nuclear energy, or fuel cell energy? But you will be assigned one of those 4 topics. So one person might be focusing on solar, one person might be focusing on wind energy, one person might be focusing on nuclear energy, but you will also be sharing some principles of energy production that you'll have to be able to talk and share with each other. You will then prepare the research, then you will present the research to the class, and then the scientific community, which is you and your classmates, will vote on your recommendations. Each vote will be required to provide evidence and explanation as to why you choose the vote that you choose. Following that, we will enter the second stage. So based on your recommendations and topics, you will be placed in a different team for Artemis research, specifically related to building a base on the moon. So you will first choose a location for the lunar base. Second, you will choose basic design requirements for the base. Each team member will present part of your team's decision and reasoning to the NASA administrator, yours truly, and it will be based on your focus area from before. So the first stage will be focused on technology applications on the Earth. The second stage will be focusing on choosing a location as well as design requirements for the moon based on your expertise from part 1. In the second stage, it will be focusing on the moon. At the end of the day, all presentations, all research will be judged based on evidence and reasoning put into each design choice. Here's how the grades are broken down. So stage 1, the research, which will be presented to me via a slideshow, or you will write it not in a paper, but in a slideshow, that will be worth 25 points. The presentation / argumentation for your case will be worth 30 points. Your vote on the rest of your class's presentation will be worth 25 points. And then for stage 2, the first round of research based on location for the moon base will be worth 25 points. Then for your second piece of research based on the base design will be worth another 25 points. And then your final presentation that presents your recommendations will be worth 30 points. So the best location argument, evidence, and reasoning could earn an extra 5 points, as well as design argument, evidence, and reasoning could earn an extra 5 points. And at any time, the teachers reserve the right to award points for excellent argumentation, for great evidence, for great reasoning. So please do your best work. Here is the calendar. There's lots of details on here. So this week, we're just introducing the overall quarter to you. I hope that you're going to get excited about this. It's going to be a lot of fun. Next week, you will be doing your research and finding pros and cons for your assigned topic. Week 3, the following week, you will do a presentation and you will also vote on your recommendation. And in the 4th week, you will be given your new team. We will give you an orientation to the moon. We will talk about criteria, which is mission requirements, things we want to accomplish, as well as constraints, which are also known as limitations that we will be facing when we're on the moon. The following week, you will get to research and decide on a location for a base on the moon. And then the following week, you will research and decide on design parameters for the base that you just chose. On the last week, you will present on your location choice and you will present on your design element for the base choice. And then June 1st to the 4th, your NASA administrator, your teacher, will pick the winning design based on criteria, constraints, and evidence and reasoning. And hopefully we will be able to get together as an entire group of physics students and celebrate our choices and our results. And the results will be announced no later than June 9th, but hopefully by June 4th. That's the goal. But no later than June 9th, we'll let you know how everybody did on this. So there's a lot to think about. There's a lot going on with this. One, be patient. We're going to give you those details as you need it. Specific details will be coming out next week. You will be given your topic assignment. So right now is the time in the Pear Deck to tell me what questions do you have about the project. Many of these we've already thought about, but there's always a few that we maybe didn't think to address from a student perspective. So please add those here. Just know that we are going to be baby stepping through each piece and give you very specific details when we get to those. All right, that's all I've got. I hope that you enjoy our journey to the moon, and I will see you in the next video.